Audit
Yes,
very
Vijaya, you
little,
can.
very little knowledge of cybersecurity. Some tools like penetrating
Yep.
testing and all these for the security anchor, like all these little bit only for the
Let
security.
okay, okay, no issues. And why cybersecurity is required in the industry?
So, like data is most, the important thing nowadays. So,
Yes, yes.
to protect the
To
data,
protect the organization data, right?
yeah, to protect the organization data, the cyber security is most needed. There are a lot of tools. So, Splunk, identity radar, other same tools are there. So, by
Yes.
using those tools, yeah, we can protect by creating dashboards, alerts, reports, everything. with it.
Okay, okay. And it's correct, okay. And what kind of modules are there? Any idea? What kind of roles or what kind of modules are there in the cybersecurity?
Like any incident SOC analyzed, I have heard about it.
Yes. Any idea other than that one?
Ma'am, what is the duration
So
of this
finally,
workshop?
this course is 2 to 2.5.
2.5. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, 2 months minimum. If it will take time, then it will be the 2.5 mostly. Okay. You people know about only SOC analyst, right? Okay. I'm sharing my screen 1 minute. So everyone is able to see my screen. Everyone,
Yes.
right? So cybersecurity means like protecting the organization data, right? So in cybersecurity, in the industry, we have different roles are there. Okay. One is like a tech sec role. Okay. Another one like a DLP. Okay. Data leakage prevention. Okay. Data privacy. Okay. And another one is like a audit team is there. Okay. Risk and compliance is there. Have you heard about these names? Anyone?
Yes, I have heard about it. DLP, data privacy audit risk compliance.
All right. Yes. So here what here these are the main roles in the cybersecurity. Okay. So here in the tech sec, okay, VAPT will come. Okay, I will explain later here. And if you see the DLP, data leakage prevention, suppose you are sending some organization data to your email ID or some other external person. So what will happen at that time? It will send some alert to DLP team. Okay, they will notify that one. They will investigate that one whether they are sending the any sensitive information or not, and they will escalate us. Okay, they will do that thing only. That is the DLP team. Everyone is clear? DLP. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And come to the data privacy team. Data privacy team, what they will do? Suppose we will work with one client. Okay, so we will take the project and everything. Okay, that everything is completed, and in the data privacy team, what they will do? They will check any how many user roles are there. Okay, and they check their architecture diagrams. Okay, and any sensitive information they are disclosing publicly, like that they will check it. Okay, by using some tools they will check it. That is the data privacy team. And audit team, audit team, they will involve to check everything like a tech sec role, whether they are performing the assessments proper or not. DLP team activities, data privacy activities, risk and compliance activities, SOC activities, everything it will manage. Okay, audit team will work on it. And what about the risk and compliance? Like a suppose we are providing the vulnerabilities to the developers, right? So if the developer is, sometimes developer is not able to fix the issues, okay, at that time what we will do, we will fill the risk assessment sheet, share it with the compliance manager. Compliance manager will check the criticality of the application, okay, like whether it is a critical or medium or low. Okay, I'll show you one RA sheet so that you will get more clarity on this one. So if you see this one, this is the RA sheet, risk assessment sheet. Okay, this kind of sheet developers will provide with us. Okay, so in case suppose developer is not able to fix the issue, sometimes if they are using the latest version, application compatibility will issues come. Okay, so at that time they are not able to fix the issues. What we will do, we will fill the RA sheet. See here, you don't know this one, just I am saying. Okay, these are the vulnerabilities, we will fill it, share this sheet to the compliance manager. Compliance manager will check. See here, we are giving the rating, right? Medium or if you see this one, it will show critical, high, medium or low. Okay, based on this criticality, then the compliance manager, he may approve it or reject it. Okay, this is the compliance team. And risk team, what they will do, developer will provide, okay, when the application will comes to the VAPT team, they will provide this sheet to RA team. Okay, they will validate based on they are having some checklist. Okay, whether they are providing proper details or not, they will check it. That is the risk team will do. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Vijaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dinesh, clear, right? Bharat, okay. So and this is the team, and another one is like a SOC team is there. SOC team, what they will do, if any incident will happen in the company, okay, they are managing everything. They will get the alert. Okay, by using sim tools, they will analysis that one. Okay, if any risk is there, then they will give that log files to company, like that they will do. Okay, now come to the tech sec part. Here VAPT come into the picture. Okay, VAPT means like a vulnerability assessment and penetration testing part. Okay, so here anyone is having idea about what is VA, what is VA and what is PT? Any idea? VA. What is the
Vulnerability
vulnerability assessment?
assessment, penetration testing.
Yes, correct, right? And here two things are there. One is the vulnerability assessment, another one is the PT part, penetration testing. Okay, here what we will do and here what we will do. Any idea? What is VA and what is PT? Any idea?
In vulnerability assessment, they will check the weaknesses.
Exactly. And what about VA? Sorry, and what about PT?
It will detect and exploit the vulnerabilities.
Exactly, right? So in VA, what we will do, we will check the vulnerabilities, like identify the loopholes in the application, right? By using some tools. Okay, each and every assessment we are having different tools are there. I will show you what are those tools. Okay, here by using tools, we will scan the application. In the penetration testing part, okay, what we will do, we will attack the site. We will attack the application. Okay, like injecting something like SQL injection attacks, cross-site scripting attacks, HTML injection attacks. Okay, like that. We will do some injections and we will take the proof of concept. We will attach that proof of concept to the report. Okay, like how hacker will do the hacker activities, same thing we will perform in the PT also. Okay, is it clear? Difference between the VA and PT. Here we will do the VA means like we will scan the application using the tools. PT means we will do some manual scenarios. Manually we will check the application, take the proof of concept, attach that proof of concept to the report. We will share that report to the developers. This is the one thing. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, and another role also there, ethical hacking. Okay, and ethical hacking is different. Like in VAPT role, developer only will give everything. Okay, application URL they will give it us, and any roles are there. If you want to log in with different roles, they will only provide. Any configuration files are there, they will only provide. Okay, and architecture diagrams, everything they will only provide. We have to perform the assessment, that's it. Come to the ethical hacking, they will not provide anything. Suppose if you know one application like a facebook.com, so ethical hacker people, what they will do, by using that application url, they will only find the application related details. Okay, reconnaissance. Okay, by using some tools they will find the data, and later they will like a they will steal the database also. Okay, same thing they will do. They will do illegal activities completely. If anything will happen also, company only will take care of it. So now you understand different roles in cyber security, everyone. Everyone, Vijaya, Dinesh, Bharat, Sachin,
Yes, Cindy.
Lokesh,
Ma'am, yes.
clear, right? Yes. So now you understand, right? Like these all are the normal roles only. We will not do anything just by checking the notifications. Okay, whenever we will get the alerts, we will check the notification and we will analyze that one, like whether it is a risk or not. That's it. Okay, if you see the VAPT part, this is completely different. We will work on different applications. Okay, any any idea about front end applications, back end applications? Any idea? Back end technologies, front end technologies, back end technologies. Any idea? Back end technologies, database. Yeah, can you tell me that names? Front end.
Front end
So
is
HTML, CSS,
databases, web
Sorry,
services,
HTML. Yes,
HTML,
HTML,
CSS,
services,
JavaScript.
yes, correct, right? So these
and
are the yes, right?
REST,
HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, yes, Vijaya, and
REST,
React JS, Angular, right? All will comes to the front end technologies. Come to the back end technologies. What kind of technologies are there?
Python,
Java, or
JavaScript,
backend application, any database.
Yes, right? Yes, exactly. So Python, Java, okay, and .NET, Node.js, these all comes under the backend technologies, right? Come to the database. Any idea?
PLSQL,
Uh,
SQL,
like
MongoDB.
MongoDB, Redis,
Exactly.
Postgres.
Yes, right. These many are database application. So in the BAPT part, we will work on front end technologies, back end technologies, database, everything we will work on it. Okay, different applications we will work on it. Suppose if the developer developed application using the front end technologies, then we have to work on that application. Okay, if the developer developed the application using back end and database, those technologies we have to work on it. Okay, we will cover everything, front end, back end, database. Okay, if you know how to work with the 10 to 15 application, then automatically you will be habituated to work on remaining applications also, not an issue. Okay, if you don't have any knowledge of coding also, not required here. Okay, so it's clear, right? What kind of roles are there in cyber security, and what kind of technologies we are going to work in the VAPT? Everyone is clear, right?
Yes, Cindy.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So I'll give some demo on VAPT. Okay. So in demo, I'll cover like a types of cyber attacks. Okay, what is the software testing? What is the security testing? And what is vulnerability assessment? And what is penetration testing part? Importance of security testing. Okay, assessments, SAST and DAST, tools. What kind of tools we will cover in these assessments? OWASP framework, security testing process. Okay, come to the first one. And cyber security, we as we discussed, right? Like a cyber security is to protect the organization data, right? Why cyber security is required? If you are not performing the cyber security activities, then what will happen? Can you give me one example? Anyone?
So the ransomware attack, like we have heard about it, so that can
Yes,
do the hackers for like money. I mean the financial related things happens to the organization from the hackers. So that
Yes,
will.
ransomware attack.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Yes, right. Any other?
Steal the database and but given to any other companies and everything.
Yes, exactly, right. So exactly these things only will happen if you are not performing cybersecurity activities in the industry. Okay, so suppose we know the big billion days, right? Like Amazon, Flipkart will conduct every year big billion days. They will give some offers, right? Every year they will conduct some big billion days. Like they will put some offers, right? Any idea that one? Big billion days sale. They will put some sale every
Yeah.
year,
So
Yes.
some
right?
phishing links. Yeah.
Yes, right. So at that time what will happen, I'll tell you one scenario. Okay, so suppose we are opening that Amazon site. Okay, example, we are opening this Amazon site, and background attacker will send malicious request to the server. Okay, whenever developer are developing the application, they will put some limitation. Okay, per minute or per second they have to send these many requests only. Suppose per minute we have to send 50 requests. Okay, so if you are sending 50 requests, it's okay. More than 50 requests, then what will happen? Server will be down, right? If you it will be burden to the server. So what attacker will trying to do, they will send malicious http request to the server, so that the site will be down. Actual user cannot able to see the site. We will get 500 internal server, like that. Okay, so what will happen? Financial loss will happen, reputation will damage. Okay, data will breach, right? Everyone,
Yes, ma'am.
Vijaya,
Yes,
Dinesh,
correct.
clear, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So these kind of things will happen. So we have to perform the cyber security activities in the industry. Okay. So types of cyber attacks. What kind of cyber attacks you know? Ransomware, Dinesh, you covered, and any other attacks?
Yeah, brute force attack,
Yes, exactly. Brute force attack. Any other?
botnet attack, social engineering attack, cryptocurrency hijacking.
Exactly. Exactly. Right. And any other? Rahul, you are saying something?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm same repeating that say ransomware and all.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Yes, generally those are the general attacks, right? Those things only.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you see man in the middle attacks, okay, man in the middle attacks means like whenever you are sending request from client to server, their attacker can manipulate the request, right? Suppose you are opening the login page, you are entering the credential. If that credential is in the plain text, they can steal it, right? That kind of vulnerabilities or the man in the middle attacks. Okay, zero day exploit. Okay, zero day exploit means we don't know that vulnerability. Okay, we will get today only, and we have to close that vulnerability today only. That is a zero day exploit. Recently this exploit came into the picture. Okay, cross-site scripting attacks. Like you people know about JavaScript or jQuery, right? Everyone, JavaScript, jQuery, any idea? Little bit,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
right? So those kind of attacks will comes under the cross-site scripting attacks. They will inject some script. Okay, so we will, when you click on that link, automatically some action will perform in the background. Come to the social engineering. Attackers can trick the users, like they will trick the users, revealing the passwords, personal information, like that. Okay, DOS and DDoS, just now we have discussed. And like SQL injection, phishing, malware, ransomware. These are the general scenarios of cyber attacks, right? And come to the software testing. What is the software testing? Any idea? What is the software testing?
Software testing is basically to test a particular software or application on the basis
Yes.
of their functional, integrated, and all things considered. Uh,
Yes, exactly. Yes, correct, Vijaya. Thank you. And any other points? Sachin, Dinesh, Arjun,
also,
Anita.
It also tested the incorrect scenarios or a fault
Yes,
scenarios.
Fixing the bugs exactly from like before going live to the production to fix the bugs on a that
yes,
level.
yes, correct. Right? Okay. So exactly, we will do this thing in the software testing. Okay. So here software testing is to check the software's quality, functionality, and performance of the application or software. Right? And there are two types of software testing. One is a functional testing, another one is a non-functional testing. Functional testing means like a in our in generally we will see in the organizations QA people are there, right? Testers. Everyone know this one. For each and every application, one QA is required. Right? Those people will comes under the functional testing. Okay, what they will do, they will write some test cases. Okay, they will try to they will try to send some input. They will observe whether they are getting the exact output or not, expected output or not. Okay, that is a functional testing. And come to the non functional testing, like a security testing is a non functional testing. Okay, a security testing means like a VAPT people. Okay, what we will do here, here we will not check the functionality of the application. Here we will check how to secure the application. Okay, now you got some idea what is the difference between the functional testing and non-functional testing? Everyone, everyone, Prashant, Rahul,
Yes,
Rajesh, Vijaya, Dinesh, clear, right? Anand, okay,
Yeah.
Alam, everyone clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Next one is a security testing. Here what we will do, security testing is used to identify the vulnerabilities in the application. Okay, there are two types. One is a vulnerability assessment, another one is a penetration testing. I have already discussed with you, right? VA means like we will use some tools. Okay, PT means we will do some manual scenarios. Okay, both we will perform. And come to the importance of security testing, we already covered. Okay, assessments. So here we will do in the VAPT we will perform different assessments. Okay, one is a secure code review. Secure code review means like developer will share complete code with us. Okay, we have to scan that code and we have to analyze the report. We will share that report with the developers. If any we have to analyze that report. If any false positives are there, we will leave it. If any vulnerabilities are there, we will report it. Okay, come to the web application security, we will scan the application URLs. And come to the web service and API security, anyone is having idea about APIs? Web service, APIs, anyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? What is the API?
API is the application program interface, which is
Yes,
a interface which connect with the particular program just by APIs only uh, for the outer world. Basically, the
yes,
accessing some information or a request or response by some APIs to outer network.
yes, right? Okay, so why APIs are nowadays famous? Why organizations using APIs? What is advantage of that one? Any idea?
No idea.
No idea.
Basically,
Okay, I'll
all the tasks
yes,
perform any task is performed by some APIs. Like if we need to be some request to transaction, so we can
yes,
send a some request for the cash encashment or like that.
yes, right? Correct. So I'll tell you one scenario here. Suppose I think you people know about Zomato, Swiggy, like Blinkit. Everyone know, right? These are the general we will order every day, right? So if you observe, after you I mean you purchase something, and after when you are going to pay, it will redirect to the Razor Pay, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes. So that razor pay is required for every application, right? Not only Zomato, not only Blinkit, not only Instamart, different are there, right? Every application requires the that payment gateway, right? So instead of writing that payment gateway code to every application, they will create one API, payment gateway API. They will integrate that payment gateway API into all applications. So it will be code will be reusable, right? Okay. And another one is like another scenario is like, we know this one, right? Location, state, right? Location, state, right? These kind of drop downs we will see in the applications, right? Sometimes when you are developing the applications, multiple applications in the sign up forms, we are able to see these kind of scenario: location, state, right? Country, everything, right? So instead of writing logic for every application, they will integrate one master data. Okay, they can they that master data they can integrate into all applications. Okay, all sign up applications. So the so the code will be reduced, and they can reusable that APIs, right? Everyone is clear now? What is the use of API? Everyone. Vijaya, Dinesh, Sachin, Prashant.
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
right? Yeah. Okay. And come to this one, I'll cover API security also. And come to the mobile application security. What is the extension for mobile application? Anyone is having any idea? Mobile application extension.
.apk.
Exactly, right? So developer will share that kind of .apk file to us. We have to scan that .apk file using different tools. Okay, we will share the report with the developers. And come to another part, Windows application security. Extension for Windows application Windows application, any idea? Extension.
EXE or
Yes,
MSA.
exactly. Right? Those kind of exe files they will share with us. Okay. We will scan that exe files. Any example for exe file? Can you give general scenario?
WinSCP application related WinSCP also.
Yes, right. And we are using the Zoom. That Zoom also exe only, right? We will download that exe file and we will install it. Alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So those kind of exe files they will share with us. We have to scan using some tools, and we will share the report with the developers. Okay, that is a exe testing. And come to another one, like network security. We know IP addresses generally, right? We will use some tools and we will scan that IP addresses. And another assessment also there, cloud security. If you want to understand the cloud security, then you have to understand first DevOps tools. Okay, DevOps tools like Jenkins, how CI/CD pipeline will work, how to create the virtual machines, EC2 instances, S3 buckets, okay, and Docker containerization, okay, Kubernetes, Terraforms. How you have to understand they first that concepts, then only you can understand the cloud security assessment. Okay, so I'll not cover that part here because many people don't know about DevOps tools. Okay, I'll cover these things, these six assessments. If you are good in these six assessments also, you will get job. Okay, I will show you the job roles and everything. Okay, come to the first secure code review part. Okay, developer will give some code. Okay, the code will be like this. I think we know the code thing. Okay, see here, the code is like this. I have taken some sample code. Okay, we have to scan this code. Okay, for this we will use different tools. Okay, 45 men CodeQL bandit. Okay, so here 45 men CodeQL is the like a licensed version, but I will show you how the reports will be, how to work with that this one, how to scan the command. I'll show you. Okay, for bandit, this is a open source. We can install this one and we can scan the application. We can analyze the report. Okay, example, I have already done everything, but whenever the training period started, I will explain you clearly. See, this is the report of SER. I have they have given the code for this one. Okay, this code I have scanned it. We got the issues like this. Okay, I will explain you one issue. Generally, we will see in general scenario. Commonly, we will see. See, this is the one issue. See here what it's showing, hard coded password string, like possible hard coded password. What they are doing, whenever they are entering the username and password, they are entering the hard coded. Generally it will be the encrypted format, right? Username and password should be encrypted format, right? They are sending this one. So here how to analyze this one. So issue name it's given here, and go to the severity part, it's showing low, and go to this one like a CW, I will explain later. It will show you the location also. See here, this is the path. We can check here also in the code level also, we can check here. See here, this is the DSVPWA attacks.py. In the attacks.py we are getting this issue. Okay, and which line? 284, 285, 286. So how to provide remediation, description, everything. Now come to the CWE, common weakness enumeration. Okay, we will provide this URL to the developer. So what they will do, they will open this URL. Okay, see here, it will provide everything. Use of hard coded password, description it will provide. Okay, and come to the impact it will provide. Okay, and come to the remediation, mitigation also it will provide, mitigation or remediation. By seeing this they will understand and they will fix the issue. Everyone is clear? SCR part, everyone, but just
Yes,
you
ma'am.
got some idea, right, how to announce the report of SCR. Okay, I will tell you in the training period clearly how to install the tools. Okay, what are the prerequisites is required for that one, and everything I will explain in the training period. Okay, this is the SCR part. And come to the web application part, I will show you the for this web application part we have different tools, we will use it. See, web inspect, bob suit, okay, zap, Boomerang, Vapalizer, Retail.js, SQL Map. Vijay, you told right, the like attackers will hack the database. I will show you how they will hack. Okay, by using SQL Map. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. These are the tools we will cover in the web application security part. Bob Suite is a professional one, but you can install the community edition. Okay. Whatever the things for practice, those it's available in the Bob Suite community also. Okay, so web inspect is the licensed version, but I can show you the how the report will be. Okay, if you know how to work with one tool, same it will be same for other tools also. Okay, so if you see the web application security part, I will show you how to scan the application. Okay, how we have to see, we are getting the traffic, right? See here, if you see this one, this is the one samples that I have taken. Okay, in the box suit I have scanned it. We are getting the username and password also. See here, this is the man in the middle attacker. Okay, username and password is in clear text, so we will tell the developers they have to encrypt it. Okay, this I will cover, and I will tell you the how to generate the report using the bob suit and zap. Okay, the report will be like this. See here, web application, this is the bob suit report. The report is like this. Okay, we have to analyze this report. If you see first one, clear text submission of a password, just now we have seen, right? That one is a clear text submission of a password tool generating the vulnerability. Okay, but we have to analyze the whether it's correct or not. Okay, that is the clear text submission of a password vulnerability. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone, is it clear, or you have any doubts here?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, right? Okay, this is the VA part. And come to the PT part, we will check some manual scenarios. Okay, I'll cover 45 to 50 manual scenarios. Okay, this is a checklist. Okay, this is the based on the OWASP framework. Okay, I will tell you what is the OWASP and everything. So this is the vulnerabilities, I'll cover it. If you are good in this PT part, then you can understand the that VA report also. Okay, and come to that come to the final one. This is the main report. Okay, we have to analyze the VA part, and we have to check that PT part also. We can add those two things into the main report. This is the main report. See, web application penetration testing part, we have to give the project name, ticket number, URL, everything. Okay, here we have to mention the how many vulnerabilities we got it. See here, high 0, medium 14 we got it, low 1, info 1. Okay, we got these kind of vulnerabilities. And if you see here, see, first one is a concurrent user session. You don't know now. Okay, later I will explain you what is the concurrent user session and everything. Okay, we have to give everything to the developer here. See here, domain name, vulnerability name, description, observation, okay, impact, risk rating, recommendation, everything we have to provide them. So here, suppose if you see the concurrent clear text submission of a password, just now we have seen, right? This is a clear text submission of a password. We have attached the POC also. See here, they are sending password as a clear text. Okay, I'll cover these kind of things, and you can make the report like this way. Okay, this is the final report. We have to share it with the developers. Everyone is clear here how to work with the VA and manual scenarios, and the main report is like this. Okay, so suppose if the developer is able to fix all the issues, then we will provide the closure certificate. Okay, if the developer is not able to fix the issues, then already I have explained to you risk assessment sheet. We will fill that sheet and we will share it the compliance manager. Okay, so this is the closure certificate. This is a certificate of a closure. Okay, this is the certificate of a closure. We will give the application name, ticket number, and total duration, how much time it's taken. Okay, and how many rounds we have conducted, and the validity for this closure. We will provide 6 months. Okay, anyone is having any idea about production deployments? Anyone? Some people will tell our application going to live on tomorrow, like that. They will discuss, right, in the organization. Anyone is having any idea?
Yes, ma'am. I have the idea of
Right?
the
Yes.
development and deployment of any application.
Yes, right. So suppose after you developed the application, who will host that application to live? Who will do that one? You will only do, or some other team is there for that one?
DevOps team.
Right, DevOps team, exactly. So what we will do, after developing the application, everything completed from our end, we will connect with the DevOps team. DevOps team will ask this closure certificate. Okay, if we are having this closure certificate, then only they can host the application, otherwise they will not host the application. So that much important of this closure certificate. Okay, this is the importance of VAPT role. This VAPT role is mandatory for every company. Now you understand how much importance for VAPT role, everyone, right? That DevOps team, if we are having closure certificate, then only they will host our application to live, otherwise they will not host it. Okay, they will ask us to like a bring the closure certificate of vulnerability, then only we can go ahead this host thing, like that they will tell us. Okay, now everyone is clear why BAPT is required in the organization. Everyone is clear,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay, this is the WAPT part, like a web application part. Okay, and in my application also I will show you how we are getting the vulnerabilities. Okay, and whenever I am covering one concept, I'll show you in my applications also how we are getting the vulnerabilities. Okay, and sorry, someone is asking something. No, right? Okay, so now clear, right? Same thing we will work on APIs also. Okay, if it is API part, what we will do, developer will give the APIs to us. Okay, if you want, you can check sample APIs also here. Okay, these are the sample APIs. See here, list of all objects, list of objects by IDs, single object, add object, update objects. Okay, they will give these endpoints to us. Okay, we have to first scan, like we have to test using the postman. Okay, if this request is working fine, then we have to intercept the request using bob suit. Okay, so if you see this url https slash slash some objects, right? So we are getting 200 okay response. Okay, so if you see this one 200 okay means like a success response, right? So if you see here, we will get the request or not here. See, we are getting the API RESTful this request, right? I have done some configuration to intercepting that request. Okay, I will explain you in the training period. Okay, same thing, we have to generate the report. We have to analyze that report. Same, we have to do some manual checks for this API also. Okay, we will share it with that report to the developers. Same thing for the web application. How we are doing for web application, same thing we will do here also. Okay, come to the next thing is like a mobile application security. So just now we have discussed, right? APK file. Okay, developer will share this kind of APK file with us. We have to scan using different tools. Okay, if you see here, for web APIs, they are using postman, soap ui, swagger ui, fiddler. Okay, come to the mobile application security, APK tool, jadex ui, android studio, frida, mobsf, mobexcellent. We will use all these tools and we will scan the application. Okay, we will analyze the report. So how the report will be, see, this is the report. Okay, the report is like this. So here we have to mention the certificate analysis vulnerabilities, manifest analysis, code analysis, and their permissions. Okay, I will explain you later in the training period how to work with all these things. Okay, this is the mobile application, and come to the Windows application, same thing. Okay, and network security also. We will scan the IP address and we will generate this kind of report. Okay, this is the report. So if you see this one, for Windows application, what kind of tools we are using? Echo Mirage, Wireshark, CFF, DNS Spy, ILS Spy. Okay, I will explain in the training period clearly. Okay, network security, Nessus and MAP. Okay, everyone is clear. Types of assessments, what kind of assessments we will perform, and what are the tools we are using for these assessments. Everyone,
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
yes, you can ask me, Pankaj.
Yeah, ma'am. So in government organizations, so are all these tools are getting used, or for government organization, there are separate tools for assessment?
No. These tools only. Actually, these all are we are using in my company only.
Okay.
Okay, same tools they will use it. What are the tools we are using in my company? Same tools I am explaining here. Okay,
Okay. No, I'm asking
if
about
the
government organization.
government organization you are asking,
Yes.
yeah, same tools they will use. Bob Suite, they will use Nmap, Nessus, same tools. Okay, these all
Oh,
are the popular tools for the web, mobile, Windows application network. Mostly these tools are the popular. If you know how to work with the Bob suit, then they will understand that you know the web application penetration testing part. Like that, okay, they will understand. These all are the familiar tools actually. Wherever you go, these tools will come.
okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, thank you. And if you see another part, 1 minute. Yes. Now come to the SAST and DAST. Okay, there are two things over there, SAST and DAST. Like two approaches. Okay, one is the static application security testing, another one is the dynamic application security testing. In the static application security testing, what we will do? Test the source code without executing the program. We will not execute the program. Okay, just we will run the application. Like we will scan the application. We will analyze the report. Okay, this is the static application security testing. Okay, 1 minute, please. Okay, So here static application and security testing, secure code review will comes okay into the picture. Here I already discussed with you, right? Like a 45 men code QL, these kind of tools we will use it. Okay. Why SAST is required? Any idea? In the static application security, like we are doing secure code review, right? I think you understand, right? Secure code review is like we have to announce is the code review part, right? So why this SAST is required means like before application is deployed, okay, we have to find out the vulnerabilities. So we will save the developers time. Okay, if it is going to the production, again we have to come for the secure code review. It will be waste of time. Okay, before deploying into the before deployment, we will do the SAST and DAST, dynamic application security testing. Here we will run the application. Okay, we will do some injections and we will analyze that vulnerabilities. Okay, in this we are getting mostly SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication level, that kind of. Okay, in SAST we will get like a DLL levels, library levels, like a packages level, that kind of things. Okay, everyone is got some idea SAST and DAST. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is like a before deployment, this is like a production deployment. Okay, production environments, pre-production. Okay, before deployment, this is in the pre-production environment, we will do this dashed. Okay, so next OWASP framework, like you people are having idea about Java, .NET, Python, right?
Yes.
Basic idea, not that much at least, right? So if those people want to work with, they will follow some standards, right? Like they will follow some principles, WASP concepts, right? Sorry, like OOPS concepts, like object oriented programming language concepts, like abstraction, encapsulation, right? And inheritance, right? Polymorphism, they will follow those kind of things, class, objects, methods, properties, right? So as a security tester, you have to follow the OWASP framework. There are different frameworks are there, OWASP, NIST, okay, like different are there, but OWASP is the familiar one. Okay, what is the OWASP? OWASP is the Open Worldwide Application Security Project. This is the one organization actually. What they will do, every 3 to 4 years, they will connect with the security researchers. Okay, they will find out the vulnerabilities. And they will give the priority of that vulnerabilities. If you see this one, you can find out the top 10 vulnerabilities. OWASP top 10. See, this is a flow chart. Okay, they will give these vulnerabilities. We have to follow this framework. Okay, this is the OWASP framework. I'll cover OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities for web, API, mobile, network, everything. Okay, so and come to another point. Security testing process, how we will do it. First we have to information gathering. Okay, we have to gather the information of the application, like how many roles are there. Okay, and any configuration files are there, the demo of the application, like how the functionalities will work in that application, everything we have to gather. Okay, letter planning and analysis, we have to make one checklist first. What kind of vulnerabilities we have to check. If it is a web application, different vulnerabilities are there. If it is API, then different checklist is there. If it is mobile, different checklist is there. Like that, we have to prepare the checklist. Okay, vulnerability detection means like we have to scan the application using tools. Come to the penetration testing part. Okay, we will do some manual scenarios. Okay, finally we will make the reporting. I already shown you, right? Reporting part. I have shown you one report, sample report. Okay, that way we have to make it and we will share with the developers. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am. How many days it takes for getting the report? Like,
A report means it depends on, like we have to connect with the developers. We will get the data within half day. Okay, that is a half day, and we have to work on that report. For depends on our speed. Okay, if you are good in that making the reports and finding the vulnerabilities. Okay, manual scenarios, analysis of the VA report, then we will close within 15 days. Every application we have to close within 15 days, like a scan, rescan. Okay, closure, everything should be complete within 15 days. Okay, mostly 1 month they will give the time, but our scenario we have to complete 15 months. We can extend it to 1 month. Okay, till 1 month we are not able to close that issue because of developers, then we will close the ticket directly.
Okay. And
Okay.
one more doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Like, shall we share the report once the all the testing is completed, or we can side by side parallelly we can raise the concern so that developer can work and project should not get delayed.
Yes, yes. Sometimes what we will do now, in that emergency situations, we will take the screenshots. Okay, we will make it as a word pad. Okay, word. That report we call it as a interim report. We will share that interim report. Official report we will share next day. We can do like that, because if you want to make official report, it will take time, and that report should be reviewed, right? So it will take time. That's why we will create the interim report. We will share it with the developers.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, we will call it as the interim report. Okay, and another thing is like there are different roles. Okay, one is like a after the completion of this course, you can apply for different roles like a security analyst, okay, security consultant, application security engineer, information security consultant, cyber security analyst, vulnerability assessment analyst, okay, red team or penetration tester, VAPT. Only VA also will work, only PT also will work. Okay, because if you work on PT, then we will do some injections, right? So client will not accept sometimes. Okay, at that time we will do only VA. If client will agree, and they will tell us to, you can inject any kind of injections, whatever you want to work with that one, you can work on it. Okay, at that time we will tell them like take a backup of the application. Okay, we will work on PT part. We will share the report to the developers, like that we will do. Okay, some companies will work on only VA, some companies will work on only PT part. Okay, some companies will work on both VA PT. So if you choose both VA PT, then only you will get more knowledge. Okay, these are the job roles you can apply for this VAPT. And if you see, I have taken some references. See, here they are asking for security analyst. Okay, here they are asking for cyber security analyst. Okay, and if you, here they are asking for VAPT professional. Here they are asking for penetration tester. Okay, here they are asking for security analyst VA or PT. Here they are asking for information security consultant. Okay, you can apply for any role. Okay, and see, if you see here, they're asking skills, web application, API, and mobile. If you know these things, you will get job. And they're asking how much experience, 2 to 6 years, minimum 2 years. See here also six skills. What kind of they're asking? Web, API, network, mobile security, right? Same thing, everyone will expect these things only. If you are good in these things, then you can apply for these roles. Everyone is clear? Any
Uh,
doubts?
yes, ma'am. So for freshers, which role will be better? Because we can see most of them are asking for 2+ year of experience, right?
Yeah, fresher role also you can apply for security analyst.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
you will
out of
get
all
job.
these roles, which role is recommended to join as a fresher?
Yeah, security analyst. That is the first role. Okay, security analyst, like a associates, right, in the
Hmm.
company.
Yes,
Associates, like a software engineer, senior software engineer, right? Same
yes.
thing here. A security analyst, senior security analyst, a security consultant, like that is there. So you can apply for security analyst.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Pankaj. Still, anyone is having any doubts? Everyone. Vijaya, Mallesh, Dinesh.
Uh, I have one question.
Yes, Mallesh.
Uh, do you have any idea about the UK job market, regarding the cybersecurity?
Yeah, it's good, right? If you go, yes, it's good. If you are applying for in the UK also, there is more demand for VAPT. Okay, wherever you go, this VAPT role is mandatory in the organization.
And
Okay.
by completing this course, how much experience I can just add in my resume by completing this
Yeah,
course?
you can add 3 to 4. Okay, if you add more than 3 to 4 years of experience, then they will assign you more things. Okay, if you keep first initial stage, you keep 2 to 3 years of experience, it will be good for you. After you get some knowledge in the industry, then you can keep more experience later.
Okay, and one more question. Sorry, how many hours the
Yeah,
course will be, like complete course? How many hours it will be?
Hours wise, it will be like a 65 to 70 hours like that.
Okay, okay. And this is, I mean, which batch it is? I mean, how, I mean, the question is like, this is which batch you, like, number of the batch you're training. What is your
Uh, the,
batch number?
this is not like a batch number. I have given many students. Okay, I will work with the different institutes also. Okay, not like a batch wise. I have given more students like that,
Okay,
because
okay.
not only I'm working for the industry, like a institutes only, and I will work with the different institutes also like that. Not only
With the
work with
Ashok
one
IT, with
institute.
the Ashok IT, what is your number with the Ashok IT?
Yeah, Ashok IT is the third batch.
Okay, okay. Just I want to know, like, I want to take the notes, like, previous batch notes and the videos. That's the reason. Just I'm asking you.
Okay, okay. Actually, this one is like a previously I have given. Okay, I have taken some gap. Okay, again I have joined in this institute. Okay, now you will get more content, everything. Okay, last in the previous classes now I didn't provide that much. Okay, now I will provide complete vulnerability name and recommendation. Everything I will provide you. See, suppose if you see this one. Okay. Um. If you see web application part, WPT, I'll show you one scenario how I'm going giving the notes also. Broken access control. See here, I will tell you the vulnerability. Okay, what is this vulnerability and how many ways attacker can try with this vulnerability. And okay, so I will provide the impact of this vulnerability and remediation also. I will provide it. How we are providing in the report, same way I will give it you. Okay, this much notes previously I didn't provide it. Okay, now I'm giving you clear one. Once you join, you will get everything.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mallesh. Anyone is having any
Yeah,
queries?
Sindhu.
Yes,
So,
Dinesh.
are we going to cover any SIM tool or like SOC related training in this course?
Sim tools I will not cover it because this is completely VAPT, right? I told you complete VAPT role. I'll cover only VAPT related only. That is SOC analyst role is totally different, right? I'll not cover that one.
Okay.
Okay. This is completely technical part. I'll cover only technical related things only. Okay. Okay, Dinesh. Okay, thank you. And anyone is having any doubts still? Rajesh, Gayatri, Devi, Pankaj, Alam, Anand, Surendra, Rahul, Prashant, Sahil, Anita, Anjum, Lokesh, Mallesh, Vijaya.
Yes, ma'am.
You have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes they will security testers they will test in pre-production app, not the production app, because they will not have the users of production.
Yes,
So,
yes.
what all scenarios they will test pre-production, and what all scenarios they have to test production, because at the end
Yes.
production only matters.
Yes, yes, right. So in the pre-production environment, we will check any kind of scenarios. Okay, like injections we can inject. Okay, SQL injections, cross-site scripting injections, HTML injections. You can do anything. File uploads, malicious file uploads. Okay, but in the production environment, sometimes in the UAT environment, they don't have the secure connection. Right? They don't have the proper SSL certificates. Okay,
Yeah.
those kind of things we will check in the production environment. We will take the production environment URL. In that we will check the SSL certificate whether valid or not, and like they are using their secure communication or not, and cookies related flags are there now. Suppose if you see this application, right click on this one, inspect. Okay, go to the application part. Here, go to the application part. See here, you are able to see cookies related, right? Expires, HTTP only, secure flag, same site flag, right? So same site attribute, these kind of things we will check in the prod. Sometimes they will not fix in the UAT environment, like a pre-production environment. Okay, we will take the development, the production URL. We will check whether they have provided these flags or not. I will tell you later what is the use of these flags. Okay, what kind of vulnerabilities we can remediate using these flags. Now clear? We will check this communication. This is the connection is secured or not. If you see this one certificate is there. Okay, this certificate sometimes they will use expires one. In production environment they will use the valid one. Like that they will do it. And sometimes whenever you are sending a request client to server, okay, we are getting plain text username and password, right? Sometimes they will implement in the production environment. We can check there also, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Is it clear, Pankaj? You have any doubts still?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pankaj. Anyone is having any doubt still?
You told that tools are a license. If we want to practice that one on tools, so how we can practice it?
No, no, only 3 to 4 are the licensed, okay? Only three, I guess. Web Inspect, okay? And if you see these tools, 1 minute. See, 45 men code QL. These all are these three are different. Okay, this one is the one separate. Men and code QL, this is separate. Okay, and bandit is separate. These are the actually licensed tools. We cannot install it. Okay, we can work with the bandit. But for
Okay,
these
same.
tools,
They have same functionality like
yeah, same kind of
Benson.
how we are running one like a one command in the bandit, same kind of command we will run in the mend also. Okay, I will
Mm.
show you the steps how to work with that mend. I will show you the steps if you want. I'll show you one point. mm, is here part. Here I will show you the steps. Licensed version tools are there na. For that I will show you the steps. See, like this we will work on it. If you understand the bandit, then we can understand that one also. We will
Okay.
run one command here. Okay, same kind of command. See, this is the run this command from the command prompt. Same for bandit also we will run one command. Okay, if you understand the bandit, remaining also same only.
Okay.
Okay, we can install it. Remaining all are the open source only. Okay, no issue for that one. If you see here, this web inspector we can audit, and burp suit, zap, boomerang, these all we can install it. Okay, but I will show you how the web inspect report after you understand the burp suit report. Okay, and here you can install all. Here you can install all. You can install all everything you can install it. Okay, and I will show you with the sample vulnerable applications only, not live applications. Okay, we cannot work with the live applications, right? So I will take some sample sites and I will show you how the things will be.
Okay.
Okay, suppose I will tell you one example. We will do authentication bypass. Okay, suppose one sample site I'm taking this one. Okay, first we have to sign in. Okay, something just generally we will see the test, admin, root, these are the general, right? Okay, so here general, here actual thing is admin. Okay, we have to log in with admin credentials only. This site developer with admin credentials. Okay, now I am going to try bypass this one. How to bypass this one? Admin single quote hyphen hyphen. We have some payloads are there, we can get it from GitHub. We can do it. Okay, see here, we are able to log in the site or not, right? We are sending some malicious payload and still we are able to log in the site. Okay, we will tell the developer, we have to provide some remediation for that one. Okay, we have to do like that. Okay, many scenarios are there, I will cover in the web application penetration testing part. Is it clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Prashant.
In the VAPT, all companies are is means following same type of assessments and penetrating testing, or depending on the company organization levels.
No, no, no. Same kind of penetration testing. Same web, mobile, APIs. That's why I have taken some references, right? If you see here, they're asking what kind of skills. I have taken some roles and everything. See here, VAPT profession. What they are expecting? Web, API, network, mobile application. right?
Okay.
And if you see another one, another company, same thing: web application penetration testing, mobile application testing, API testing, right?
Okay.
Same thing, they will they will expect these kind of things only. Okay, if you see here, SAST or dash, just now I have already explained about the SAST and dash, right? SAST will comes
Yes.
under the secure code review, dash will comes under the web, API, mobile, everything. Okay,
Okay.
code reviews, secure code review. Okay, like that.
If we join as pressure, can we can prepare the documents, or we can work on tools, or
No, no,
if
I
the
told you
senior,
now, if
if
you
the
choose.
senior work on the some tools and grab the vulnerabilities on that, we need to fetch that data
No, no,
and to fill, or okay.
no, no, not like that. Okay, complete ticket will give same kind of question some person asked me, so that I have taken the screenshot of that one. Okay, see here, ticket will come like this way. Okay, they will developer will connect with our team. Okay, our team member will create the ticket, so complete ticket will come to us. We have to work on complete entire end to end. We have to work only.
Okay,
No one will do.
senior will explain that ticket requirement. Based on that, we need to work on the
Senior will not
senior
explain.
security analyst.
And
Okay.
no, 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 no. They will not involve. Okay. After you creating the report, they will check that report. That's it. Okay. First, they will give
Okay.
some KT on that one. Okay. Later, they will assign this kind of tickets to you. Okay. End to end. Okay. Till closer, you have to work on your ticket only, and you have to work within time period only. Okay,
Okay.
we have to follow your timings also, like we have to complete, we have to follow some time standards also. Okay, we have to complete within time period. Okay, we will not work on only one application, right? We will work on every month 15 to 20 applications, minimum 15 applications we will work on it. For all 15 applications, we have to give the closures, we have to do the rescans, everything we have to complete it within the time period. That is the
Okay.
time management is very important. Okay, so senior people, what they will do, just after you creating the report, if any mistakes are there, they will let you know. Okay,
Okay.
like that they will do it. They will not they will do VA part, you have to create the report, not like that. Okay, just they will assign you complete ticket to use, to you, we have to work on everything.
Okay.
That's why I have taken the screenshots. If you want, you can observe here. They will assign one ticket to us. Okay, we will send the one welcome email. Okay, in the, after sending the welcome email, here we will ask, see here, this is reference to the IT security assessment secure code review requested for the following incident. We are asking application name, technologies used, application functionality, application URL. Okay, like a we will ask that share the code in different formats, like a zip file or any other formats. Okay, they will give back the details with us like this. We have to download the code and we have to work on that one. Okay, everything, web also, mobile also, everything we have to handle. No one will
Okay.
involve. Okay, if you have any doubts, they can explain you. If you are having vulnerability, like a you have to give that vulnerability, or you can make it as a false positive, you have some doubt, you can ask them, they will help you on that one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, any doubts still? Anyone? This is complete real time is a training only. Okay, how we are working in the industry, same level I am teaching here. So you can keep 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay, minimum. If you keep 2 to 3 years experience, it will be very good, because if any critical things will happen in the industry, they will not come to you, they will go to the senior level people. If you keep 3 to 4 years of experience, huh? Okay, this guy is having 4 years of experience, then we can assign to them, they will solve it. But it will be difficult, right? If you keep 2 to 3 years of experience, you will not get that kind of issues. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, anyone is having any doubt still? Vijaya, Mallesh, Dinesh, Lokesh, Anjun, Anita?
Uh,
Yes, Vijaya.
No problem.
No, right? It's clear, right? Everyone. Sorry, who is speaking?
Ma'am, in this workshop, we have not go through how we can use the penetrating testing and which command, or how we can experience the all these testing.
Sorry, Vijaya, can you repeat once again?
Ma'am, in this workshop, we have not
Yes.
hands-on on penetrating testing or any vulnerability testing.
In this workshop I will not cover. Okay, we don't have that much time, right? So I'll cover in the training period. Just I am showing you overview what things I will cover, what kind of tools I will cover, how to prepare the report, what kind of vulnerabilities we will get it, how to analysis. Okay, these kind of things I will cover here. From tomorrow actual batch is going to start. If you people are having any interest, you can start. Okay, your course you can attend for the classes. In that regular classes I will explain you one by one clearly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Vijaya. Still anyone is having any doubts?
I have a general question. Can I ask?
Yeah, you can ask me, Sahil.
Yeah. Actually, I'm from non-IT background, so I want to switch in IT. So
Okay.
there are some technologies which I'm thinking like it will be good for non-tech, like non-coding jobs for me. So can you suggest some
Yes.
technologies which I should like learn? Now I'm just planning to learn this AWS thing.
Yeah, you can learn. Okay, AWS you can learn, and you can learn Python. Okay. Uh, Python is good actually nowadays. You can learn AWS and you can learn some backend technologies, some database. Okay, little bit knowledge. You can learn it.
Okay,
You
thank
can
you.
get some knowledge. Okay, front end one technology, back end one technology, database one technology. You can learn it, and just you will get some knowledge, right? If you get any issues also you can solve it your own.
Okay, understood.
Okay, Sahil. Okay, thank you. Anyone is having any doubt still? Pankaj, Devi, Rajesh, Gayatri.
Yeah, similar to the previous one. Like I am coming from IT background and I have 4 year of experience in software developer.
Okay,
So
which technologies you have worked on?
I have worked on Java as a
Okay,
full
so
time.
yes, yes, got it. So now you want to switch to cybersecurity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? Yeah, you can switch it. Okay. 4 years of experience, right? First 2 years of experience, you can keep it as a developer. Next 2 years of experience, you can keep it as a BAPT. You can try like that.
Okay, so I can apply for a 5 year of experience
Yes, yes, you can apply. Okay, you
after
can
that.
keep total 5 years of experience into IT industry. In that, 3 years of experience in Java and 2 years of experience in BAPT. You can keep it like that.
Okay, so how this Java experience will helpful in
Yeah, it will
cybersecurity?
be helpful. Yeah, it will be helpful because if we are working on coding part only, right? We will not write any code, just we have to understand the code. That's it. Okay, if you don't know technical skills also, if you are getting any issue, go to the Google, just copy paste that issue name, it will give everything. Okay, like that also you can analysis. If you are having already technical skills, okay, it will be very good to understand easily. You can understand easily the vulnerabilities. We can analyze the reports also very easily. Tool generated reports are there, right? Those reports you can understand easily. We're having already coding knowledge because we are working on technical things here, right? We will not work on non-technical here. Completely we will work on technical only, either front end, back end, database. Right? Clear?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Pankaj. Anyone? Anyone is having any doubt still?
No,
You're
ma'am.
not able to see my screen. I have explained the role at the time. Have you seen my screen?
Yeah, ma'am. We are able to
Just
see it
Yes.
see.
just now for last 1 minute or 2 minutes only. We are not able
Oh,
to see.
okay. Then I thought that I was able, I am sharing my screen. Okay. So you can see here, see job roles, security analyst, security consultant, application security, okay, engineer, information security consultant, cyber security analyst, vulnerability assessment analyst, red team or penetration tester, BAPT. Okay, here you can see companies is asking like a what is the responsibilities, like a web application testing, mobile application testing, API testing. Okay, they will ask like this way. Experience also 2+ years. See here, same thing. Expertise in web API, network, and mobile application security. Okay, expertise in SAST, DAST, code reviews, secure code review. If you see here, they are also asking secure code review. If you are good in these things, also you will get job. Okay, now everyone is clear. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me, or else we can wind up the session.
How to access the recorded sessions?
That one you can ask Ashok IT team people. Okay, they will help you on that one. Okay, Rajesh.
Okay, man. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So from tomorrow, actual start. Sorry, from Monday, actual start classes is going to start at 8:30 p.m. Okay, if you are people are having any interest, you can connect with Ashok IT people. Okay, in that I will explain you each and every concept brief. Okay, still anyone is having any doubts or any queries? If we don't have any queries, then we can wind up the session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you all. Okay, if you have any queries, you can ask Ashok IT team people. Okay, they will help you on that one.
Ma'am, one
Yes,
question.
Vijaya.
If
Yes, you can ask me.
we have in not any deployment environment or
Okay.
any environment, then how we can hands on all these testing uh, from which environment
Why?
or
Like we will ask, right? Like whenever we are asking the developer, we will only ask like share the UAT or pre-prod or dev URL. Like that we will ask in the welcome email.
but
They
if
will only share us. Yes.
but if we are not in any company and we have a not
Okay.
developers, we have just to hands on need to hands on all these things so that we can
Yes.
got these jobs. So where we can work on it means how we can hands on all these things.
Like you want to practice or what you are
Yes,
asking exactly,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
You can some labs are there. Okay, you can follow my training and you can go to some ports figure labs are there. Okay, go to the ports figure, there some labs are there, you can practice those labs. Okay, you will get hands on. And if you want to understand difference between the pre-prod and production URL, in the production URL you are having some domain name in the URL. Okay, if it is a pre-production, it is the IP address based. If you see here, Amazon dot in, right, this is the production URL. If it is a non-production URL like a dev or UAT or pre-production, then it will be like this. We can find out the difference easily. Like this, it will be. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear, Vijaya, now?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
You can
Yes.
practice labs or there. Okay, virtual labs or there. You can go to. I will guide you on that one. You can set up that labs. You can work on. You can practice that labs. You will get some hands on.
And it is
Okay.
also help for the ethical hacker also.
Ethical hacker also it will help, but not that much because ethical hacking role is totally different. I told you, right? They will not provide any information. We will only gather the information using some different tools. Okay, we will work on it. That is totally different, but it will be similar only, not 100% same.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, they will use some different tools. We will use some different tools because they are hacking, right? We are trying to hack our application. They will directly hack and they will get the data. Like that they will do it, right? So they don't have the information. For that purpose they will use some different tools. We will use some different tools. That's it. That is the difference.
Okay.
Yeah, basically, we will do protect some of our application from them.
Exactly. We will do the protection from attackers, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sharing this PPT with us or not?
This PPT I have already shared with Ashok IT team people. Okay, what kind of course content I will cover here, I already shared with them. See here, everything I have mentioned here. See, cyber security introduction part. In the demo only I have covered introduction part and vulnerability assessment. Okay, from Monday onwards I will start secure code review part. Okay, secure code review, web application security. Okay, everything I have written here. I have shared this PPT, okay, PDF, and you can connect with Ashok IT team people. They will share it with you. Okay, is it clear, Vijaya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, still,
Sindhu,
yes, yes,
yeah.
yes, yes, you can
Actually,
ask.
I am from a non code background. Like I worked into support roles. So
Okay.
will that be good to me to learn this course? Will that
Yes,
add
you can do it. How many years of experience in non-IT?
4 years?
4 years, right? Then you can do one thing. You can keep
Mhm.
2 years non-IT experience. You can keep 2 years experience into VAPT.
Okay,
Like
okay.
that, you can try.
Okay. May I know the course fee?
You can ask Ashok IT people, okay? They are
Yeah.
handling that one.
Mm.
My part is I am teaching only content. That's it.
Yeah, got it,
Yeah,
got it.
yeah,
Okay,
okay.
sure,
Thank
sure.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Devi. Yes, yes. Still, anyone is having any doubts? Anyone? Okay. So if you don't have any question, we can wind up the session. Okay. If you have any questions, then you can ask the Ashok IT team people also. They will help you on that one. Okay. From Monday onwards, I am going to start actual classes. Okay. If anyone is interested, you can enroll that one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.